Watch this video and learn how to draw an Earth Day celebration. Coming up later, Barry has a dance break, and watch to the end for Louie's shape break. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
No. Artie's not in the mood today.
Wait, what? You're not in the mood? Oh, well then I don't know.
Just kidding. Of course, Artie wanna make art.
Oh, Artie.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone! It's a wonderful day today.
What should we draw, Artie?
I don't really know what I want to draw.
Should I think of something for you?
Yes, please.
Well, today is Earth Day.
Yeah?
Why don't we draw the Earth?
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Come on then.
Grab your markers and let's make some art!
Because it's Earth Day and we're celebrating Earth Day, we're going to draw a celebration hat. A cone-shaped hat. Do you remember when you wore a hat on your birthday, Artie?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Connect the bottom two lines with a nice big curve. That's it. And then at the top, let's connect those two lines with a much smaller little curve, like a half circle.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. That was very useful. Okay, Artie, let's draw some little ribbons or streamers coming out of the top of our cone-shaped hat. Let's draw another two. One on the right. That's it. Draw a second line, Artie, to make it look thick. Very good. And let's draw a last one coming straight out the top. A wiggly line. And then another wiggly line. And then connect at the top.
What are you doing after the show, Mikey?
Me and Louie are gonna go see a movie. It'll probably get a 10.
Let's draw some curved stripes across our hat. This'll help make it look like it's cone-shaped.
Cone shape?
Yes, Artie, a cone, you know, like an ice cream cone.
Oh, Artie like ice cream.
Yes, we all know you like ice cream, Artie. Now let's draw the left side of the Earth. We're going to draw a curved line with a little half circle and then another curved line. Now, where that little half circle is, we're going to draw a tree. We'll draw a curved line on the right, another on the left, and then let's add some branches at the top. Very good, Artie.
I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it looks good.
For the leaves on top of the tree, let's draw a poofy cloud shape. Excellent work. Now let's draw the right side of the Earth, another curved line coming down. And we're going to join the two ends together with a jaggedy line. That represents land.
Oh, it's time for a dance break. Dance break, dance break. Time for a dance break, dance break, dance break.
Okay, we get it.
Yeah.
You want a dance break?
Yay! Okay, dance break. Yeah.
Hey, kid. I loved it. 10.
Dancing is great fun and good exercise.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break.
It was. Barry was great. Did we
Yeah.
finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now we're going to draw the bottom left part of the Earth. Another big curve all the way across. Now connect the two ends together with another jaggedy line, and that's more land. Great work, Artie. Coming up, Louis teaches us about sphere shapes in his shape break. Now let's draw the lower right side of the Earth. Another curve, and you guessed it, another jaggedy line connecting the two ends. Now it's time to add the ocean parts, a little curved line connecting the land parts. Now we're going to have a complete sphere, the whole Earth. Let's add some eyes, a big round circle for the right eye. Draw a little dot inside towards the bottom on the left side and we'll shade it in completely black. Great! Now let's add a slightly smaller circle on the left side, coming out as if it's hiding behind the right circle. Don't forget the little black dot.
Oh, it's so peaceful today. Really nice and quiet. Oh no! I spoke too soon. It's Painty.
Uh-oh. Oh, I love it!
Oh, Painty, you've left yellow paint all over the place. I'm going to have to clean that up later. Ugh. Oh, I like that mouth shape, Artie. That looks really good. You know, our little Earth drawing looks a bit like you, Artie. It's got your eyes and your mouth.
Very funny. Yeah.
Let's shade the mouth in black. We're going to do the whole thing in black, so you have to be a little bit patient while you do it. Try not to draw outside the lines. This is looking really good, Artie. What a perfect sphere shape.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
You want a shape break? I guess we can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Louis, shape break.
Well, hello, and welcome to today's shape break. Now, today's shape, as you see here, is a sphere. Now, a sphere, it's like a circle, but more dimensional, more like a ball, sort of a complete shape. Circle, but spherical. Sphere. Spherical, you see. Well, examples of spheres are, let's say, some fruit. Apples, oranges, even vegetables, onions, tomatoes, let's call the whole thing off. Balls, like a basketball, soccer ball, tennis ball, that kind of thing, you know. And my favourite, planets. Oh, I do love a good planet. Moon, Saturn, Mars, and of course, well, our planet Earth. They're all spheres, you see. So let's think of a little joke. Oh, here's a good joke. Why do basketball players love cookies? Well, because they love to dunk them. Yeah, very good, very good. Why did Mickey Mouse go to outer space? Well, obviously to find Pluto. Very droll. What did one ball say to the other ball? See you around. Sorry. It's not a good joke. I didn't really plan it. See? Planet. Sphere. Planet. Yeah, anyway. That's today's lesson. And it's all about the sphere shape. Oh, darling. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Oh, that was a good shape break. Artie learned a lot.
All about spheres.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing now?
Okay.
Let's draw some little legs at the bottom. Just two little straight lines, and then a funny shaped foot. Let's do the same on the right side. 2 straight lines and funny shaped foot. I think we should add some arms, Artie. Same thing, 2 straight lines, and let's do a funny shaped little hand with 3 fingers.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
That looks wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
Can you teach me how to make my carrots look that wonderful?
Yeah, maybe later. Bye.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bunny's always drawing carrots, isn't she, Artie?
Yeah.
Well, this Earth Day celebration drawing looks pretty finished to me, Artie. What do you think?
I'm finished. Ooh.
Oh, I thought you were.
Yeah.
Let's colour it in.
Yeah. Let's color it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
Done.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
It came out so good. Yeah.
Let's stick this one on the fridge.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
Well, that's a wrap on the Artie Show. Keep drawing and keep singing.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Have an Artie day.